Still searching for long blouses, Kutchi Bharat work blouses, beautiful twirl-worthy lehengas, jewelry, Navratri collection? Then the wait is over. Twirls of Traditions presented by Zen Sparrow is here at Beige Gallery for 2 days, 19th and 20th of September, and the collection is very beautiful. To check out the collection, swipe left.
Hi, my name is Hemali from Shah Exclusive. Yes. Today I get so many offers, so just come and visit us.
Absolutely.
This is all my brass statement pieces. It's flat 1599.
Okay.
Today.
Look at that.
Pick anyone, dual tone or single tone, anyone.
So pick any at 1599. I think it's a steal deal. Definitely check them out. Single tone, dual tone, અને આ જે બધા pieces છે, you can wear them over sarees for Navratri. Definitely, they are one-time investments. I personally love entire collection. पूरा long में बहुत सुंदर pieces हैं उनके पास. You will have to come down and check them out. Look at that.
Some of the pieces is flat 499.
Okay, some of them are just at 499.
All sleeves are the 499. So we have the skirt as well. जो मैं पहले छे, it is the orange color.
Okay.
It's very in. We have this color.
Okay.
We have this color. We have this.
Beautiful.
This is my favorite color. બધા જ blouse જોડે જશે. We have something in shaded.
Very pretty.
See this. This is my favorite as well. We have this kind of in pink and blue.
Okay.
Then we have something in white and black
Okay.
as well. We have something in white, all the white collections.
Okay.
We have all the patchwork as well in white. Yes. We have something in gaji.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
So we have this in cotton,
Beautiful.
pure cotton.
Okay. All right.
With handwork. Black color.
Lovely.
Yes. We have long blouses as well. જેને કપડા નથી લેવા. Scissors.
Okay. All right.
Scissors, long blouses. Then we have some normal blouses. With
Okay.
all the handwork.
All
Pure
right.
Kutchi kam.
Okay.
Yes. We have this kind of different original work in
Beautiful.
blouses.
All
We
right.
have some tissue options.
Okay.
We have again in sleeve Kutchi options.
Okay. All right.
We have some in black and front opening blouses.
Okay.
Plus એવા blouses જે બધા ચણિયાના દુપટ્ટા સાથે જાય.
Okay.
We have again sleeveless in long blouses.
All right. Very
We have some
pretty.
in halter neck blouses as well.
Okay.
We have mirror blouses. We have keep sleeve blouses.
Beautiful. Look at that. Very pretty.
Hi, my name is Devanshi. This is my brand Inara. Today we're showcasing at Beige Gallery for 2 days. We have sets like these in German silver. We have
Beautiful.
Gadi based sets as well.
Okay.
Some unique pieces in Gadi.
Okay. All right. Look at that. A lot of options in Hasley as well. They have these beautiful set options if you're looking for. Long में भी उनके पास बहुत सारे options हैं. All right. Yes, ma'am. Then they also have these tight chokers, something in danglers if you're looking for
It's similar to the one
that you are wearing. Yes. Lovely. Okay. And they also have these long statement pieces, something like this, you know, in multicolor that you can pair with anything and everything. Look at that. Single color me if you require. They have that also. Again, this is brand Inara, and in this section we'll cover some more pieces. So this entire tray that you are seeing is pure brass base. So हासलीज है, थोड़ी heavy में अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो option है. They have these also. Beautiful piece here. Lovely. Then they have lot of statement rings के options. Something that ma'am is wearing. Look at that. Very pretty. Moving on to earrings का पूरा section. So they have different earrings for different occasions if you're looking for something. This is their newest edition in ear cuffs. Beautiful piece. Stone look based. Very pretty. Look at that. Something in mix and match. Afghani if you're wanting for something like this. अगर आपको super long में कुछ ऐसे चाहिए, they have that also. They have ear cuffs के options, juda options, hair accessory as well. Then they have these statement kadas, these kada options. Something in super statement. This is brand Zen Sparrow with their very famous kapda blouses.
Yes, we have the kapda, short kapdas.
Okay.
This is also short kapdas.
Okay.
We have mostly sold out. We have like this collection now. See this. We have long kapadas as well. Okay. Yes. This all are original work and Debaria work. Okay. Yes. We have all the mirror work.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Continuing with Shah exclusive, these are her beautiful pieces. These are all silver pieces, and right, like I said, that these can be used beautifully. Versatile pieces हैं, तो आप इनको बहुत सारी different ways में पहन सकते हैं. You can pair them with Navratri wear. You know, you can wear them with your saris, with shirts as well. These look very, very pretty. Look at that. Pick any earrings and you will get a discount of 30%. So you are going to love this offer. They have beautiful earrings in fusion wear, Navratri wear, wedding collection भी अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत चाहिए तो वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिलने वाला है. Look at that. They also have nose rings. So if you want any, you can pick that as well.
100 में 2.
Yes, and nose pins जो है वो 100 में 2. You can pick any. Look at
Any
that.
rings is 399.
Any ring for 399. So I
The bandhani dupattas like this.
Very pretty.
Pure bandhani. We have some in shaded bandhanis.
okay.
We have in handwork. This is my favorite in white.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Then we have again this color.
Alright, look
Yes.
at that.
We have in silk something.
Beautiful.
અત્યારે બધા નવરાત્રી માટે it's very new concept.
Yes.
We have something in vintage border
Okay.
and pure silk.
Very pretty.
And we have the traditional dupattas.
Okay.
Pure handwork
Okay.
with pure kachi. See
Beautiful.
this. This is the with mirror work.
Okay.
Again we have something like this. जरा lightweight જોઈએ છે.
Beautiful.
ખાલી border જોઈએ છે.
Okay.
We have something in kachi border.
Alright.
We
So
have some
pretty.
option in white as well.
Mhm.
We have something in tissue. We have all the kinds of plain dupattas. See this, all the colors. We
Right.
have some options in Laria,
Okay.
something in white, something in more. So we have something
Cotton.
in cotton.
Okay.
This purple color.
Okay. Very pretty.
This is the blue.
Look at that.
Yes. This is the kachi.
Okay.
Yes.
Very pretty. Look
This
at
is
that.
mull.
So many options.
Yes. We have this kind of coloring, multicolor
Wow, આખું
options as
multicolor,
well. Yes,
yes.
જેમાં બધા જ જશે.
Right.
Yes. We have this kind of handwork blouses as well.
Beautiful. Very good.